Bismillah. Guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm gonna teach you on how to reset the forgotten administrator password of photocopy machine, Canon, Image Runner, Advanced DX C3830i, and some other related version. And of course, on how to access the service modes of this particular machine. Because if you forget or if you don't have access the administrator password of this machine is unusable in terms of configuration, especially if you are going to connect to the network. You're not able to change the IP address if you cannot access the administrator password of this particular machine. So let's say, for example, if the previous administrator of this of this machine in this company in your company was left, so you cannot able to access this machine. So in order to configure this machine, so we're going to reset or clear the password of this machine. So to do it, so just watch this video. Method 1, video footage tutorial. Okay guys, so this is now the machine. This is the photocopy machine. Image Runner Advanced DX C3830i. Okay, so we're going to reset the forgotten administrator password for this machine, because maybe the previous administrator of this company was left, so that's why nobody knows the password of this machine. So as we will show you on how to reset the administrator password, because if you don't know the password of this machine is totally unusable in terms of configuration, especially if you're going to connect to the network or by changing the IP address. You cannot change the IP address unless if you are going to log in the user or the administrator password. So it will show you sample. This machine is totally touchscreen. No, this touchscreen. The panel is totally touchscreen. So this is the login now. We're going to touch the login. This is the password administrator. So I'm going to the default password of this machine is 7654321. This is the default password. So we're going to try. So meaning the enter username, so meaning it's error now. The default password was already changed by the user for this machine. So what we need to do is we're going to access the service mode, and then we're going to reset the password. Or then after resetting the password from the default administrator password, we're going to change the password by our own in order to be safe, to ensure more security, because if we retain the default password, which is the 7654321, so many people can access this machine. Okay, so start with, we're going to answer this one. So as we can see in the right side down portion of this machine, there was a button here. This is the number 123 button, no? Or this is a number button 123. below the stop button. So we're going to tap this one. Okay, then it will show here counter device informations. And after that, there's a number here at the right side. So what we need to do is to tap the settings icon, settings slash registration, then followed by 2 and 8, then setting again. So as we can see, we are now in the service mode option. So after that, we're going to tap the list or mode list. Then we're going to tap the copier. Here. Okay. Then after that, tap the function. Okay. Then there's a many option here: install, fixing, system, CCD, panel, laser, purchase, clear, MCR, AC. Then tap clear. Clear. See, after that, we can see here there's an option here ERR. Then we have also here WFD dash CLR means password clear. No, so many option here: jump hash, rcon, dcon, ARR hash, WDS, KRS, EDRS, BK, CNT, mcon. So now we're going to tap the WPWD CLR, which is password clear. Then after that, tap OK. We're going to tap OK. And after that, you can see the reset here, the reset button here, the right side. So tap the reset. Then means now return back here. It means it's already clear the password. Now, so what we need to do? So we're going to restart the machine. So the button, the restart mode is restart the button is here. Just tap. Okay. So we could see performing shutdown. So the machine is now shut downing. So already shut down. So now we're going to turn on again. Okay. Now, so we're going to check if the password was already clear. Okay, we're going to tap login. So we're going to tap login. Now administrator. So tap password. So we're going to try the default password after password clear, after resetting the password. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then we're going to tap OK. Then log in. So as we can see, the password is already created, no? As mentioned here, it's shown the default password is set as the current password. For improved security, change the password to new one. Okay, so if you're going to retain the password, just tap no. But if you're going to change the password, just tap yes. Okay, so assuming you're going to tap no, so it means the password is the same, administrator. So already log in. Oh, we're going to tap log out, means it's log out now. Okay, and we're going to log in, administrator. Now we're going to change the password now. Log in. So we're going to click yes. Then we're going to supply my password. So password must 32 characters. So 32 characters. It's too much. No? So I'm going to use 9 only. Then next. Then confirm. Then okay. Then okay. Password has been changed. Okay. So we're going to log out now. Then log in again. So we're going to use the default password. So check this username and password. So meaning it's no error because we already changed the password. Okay. Okay, so simply as that, guys, on how to reset the password of this particular machine. How to access the service mode, at the same time to reset the administrator password of this particular machine, or reset the forgotten administrator password of this particular machine. Now let's proceed to method 2, step-by-step image emulation. First, tap or touch number button. Second, access the service mode by pressing, tapping, or touching the settings or registration button, followed by number 2 and number 8. Then tap again settings registration button. Then when the service mode windows appear, tap mode list. Then tap copier. Then tap function. Then tap clear. Then tap wd-clr or password clear. Then tap reset. Now finally restart the machine by pressing the power button. Now you can log in administrator using default password 7654321. Also, you can change password by pressing yes or leave it default by pressing no. So, thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.